Hello and welcome. In today's video, we're going to learn how to use the concatenate function in Excel, which helps you easily combine text from two or more cells into one. This is very useful when you want to join names, merge ID numbers with details, or create a single line of information from multiple cells. I'll also show you how to do the same using CONCAT and TEXTJOIN, which are the modern alternatives to concatenate. So, without any delay, let's jump into Excel and see how it works with practical examples.